welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to take out the battery of the XSR900. It's the first time for me doing it, so yeah, I will just try to walk you guys through what to do and what to pay attention for and so on. So first, what you want to do is remove the seat, so we get access to all the cables and also the battery compartment. For that, take your key, stick it in here, pop the seat open, take your seat off. Once you took your seat off, put it aside. Once you removed your seat, here you have all the cables, everything. Let me just see how this is attached. So what we do is we just disconnect those metal pieces here. You can just pop them out. Once you have that, put this aside. Don't forget which way around it was. So this side around, I'll put this here. Once we have that, you'll see the battery with the connections. For that, I will first disconnect the black one and then later the red one. So once we have that, we will take out this one here, just pop it right off to give us a bit space. This one here, the same way, just pop it off so you have a bit space. For this box here, we will just use a screwdriver to get in there because it's snapped down here. So you can just snap it out. So we have a bit of room here to work. Once we have that, what we can do next is we can remove our negative. Put this then aside. Take this cable, also put it aside so it's safe, doesn't touch anything. Then we can take out all these cables. Also maybe take out this foam here so we have a bit more space. Put it aside and then pull out the cables so we have a bit of a room here to work. Once we have that, we can then take out the battery. We also have to remove this bolt here. I'll just put the battery here. Make sure it doesn't fall down. It's quite heavy, so. Loosen this bolt. Take it off. And now you have your battery. As easy as that. So once you took out the battery, make sure to put back the screws so you don't lose them. Same on the other side. Just screw it back in. There you go, there's your battery. You can also clean a bit that compartment here And yeah, just put everything back where it was so you don't forget how to put it in spring when you want to ride your bike again. Yeah. So just this one, make sure you put it the right way in. You don't have to attach it, just lay it on top. But so you know how to put it once you want to put back in your battery. After that, take your seat, snap it right back on, and you're good to go. Perfect. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope that might help you a little bit during the winter, and see you next time. Thanks.